Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you an apartment tour. We are moving out in a few months, so I thought that I needed to do it better late than never, but it is fully finished and fully up so you guys can watch that, and I hope you guys really like it. Hi you guys, welcome to our apartment. I'm so excited to finally be showing you this. As soon as you open up the door, you see the living room and the kitchen. On this wall, we just hang up our keys, and we have this frame with the verse Joshua 24:15, "As for me and my household, we will serve the Lord." So I absolutely love this utensil holder. It's from Target, as well as the utensils. This pepper and salt holder my sister-in-law got for us, and we absolutely love it. We love these boards too, and just serving food on it for guests coming over. Here's all of our vitamins that we don't take. In this corner we just have our cookbooks, but only the ones that are pretty. Okay, I did not clean up my cabinets for you guys, so please do not judge me. But here we just have our mugs and our cups, our smoothie making, extra cookbooks. In this one we have spices and all of our baking things. And in this cabinet we have our plates, bowls, Tupperware, foil, all of our cooking utensils, and I love this drawer. Our gold utensils, I love my gold utensils. Again, did not straighten up my fridge or my cabinets for you, so please don't judge me. But we have a pretty stocked freezer and fridge. I always like to keep it stocked up. And then in this top cabinet we have more of our cooking stuff like pasta and soups and rice. And in the bottom one we have our snacks. In this closet by the door we just have our shoes, our vacuum, our coats, and honestly just a few junk items. So that's the kitchen, and to the right of it we have our living room. This is by far our favorite room in the house. We love to come home, eat, veg out on the couch, and watch The Office. We eat most of our meals at the couch on our coffee table actually, so we hardly use our dining table. Our couch is from Wayfair. The rug is from Rugs USA. I'll try to leave as many links down below to the items or similar ones for you guys. I can also do a video on how to style your apartment affordably, because we kept it basically in the $1,500 price range. So I love this cactus picture. I actually had the inspiration to do it above our kitchen table from Pinterest. I'll leave that picture down below. Our table is from Wayfair, and this little napkin holder from IKEA. We have our little plant and our little fish. This table is from Wayfair as well. These pillows, the two pink ones are from Target. I'll try to leave similar ones below. This shelf my sister actually made for us, and all of these frames are from HomeGoods. And then we have our basket of blankets. This basket is from Target. This basket as well, and it's just all of our books. I found these pink chairs in our dumpster at the apartment complex, and I just cannot part with them. Even when we move to Mexico City, I'm going to keep these chairs at my parents' house. I just love them so much. And then we have our desk. This is where David does his devos every morning. And in this corner we have my little trinket from Nashville when I took my trip there, and our date night popsicle sticks. Our coffee table is also from Wayfair, and We love this coffee table. Again, we eat most of our meals there. This lamp is from Target, and I honestly love this snake plant. I can only keep snake plants alive. Our TV console is from Wayfair as well. As you guys can see, I'm going for a very mid-century look. I love this look so much. Okay, and do not judge me again, but our patio is kind of our storage place right now. But look at that view. I love this apartment, mostly for that view. And so that is our living room. And now onto our bedroom. So our headboard and side tables David's dad actually made, and we had him make them to match our dresser, which I'll show you in a second. This is to the left of our bed. I got these little frames from the World Market, and the wall hanging is from Target. These gold lamps are from Target as well as the frames. These maps are from Etsy. I always get comments on these, so I'll leave the links down below in the description bar. I love these pillows. They don't really match. We got the pink one as a gift, but they're from various places. I'll leave links down below. So then we have that dresser I was talking about. I found this at a garage sale a few years ago, about 3 years ago. Sorry for all the things on the floor. I am purging, watched Marie Kondo on Netflix, and she has me changing my whole house. So in this corner we just have jewelry. I love this homesick candle. It's an Arizona candle I got for David. My oils and just some more jewelry. This frame is from Target, the vase is from Target, and then I just put some fake cotton in it. I really love cotton at the moment. I think it just looks really pretty. So we have our closet. We have a pretty messy closet, pretty full closet. And on the ground I have 2 big bags of clothing that I was getting rid of the next day. And then we have our bathroom. It's pretty plain, but the towels and the curtain are from Target as well. And then I just have all of my jewelry hanging up. We have a closet in the bathroom which has saved us on storage so much. And then you enter back into the kitchen. So that is our apartment tour. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe because it really helps and supports my channel. And I will try to leave similar items, or if I can find exact items, down in the description bar. Make sure to also follow me and my husband. I'll leave our links down below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.